Kenya Online Driving School. My name is Elijah, and this is our translator Nora. And today we are going to teach you about traffic signs. So we have Hello everyone, and welcome to our class today. My name is Elijah and I am your online driving instructor, and today we are going to learn about traffic signs. So we are going to see about the categories of traffic signs and where you find these signs. We learn all of them step by step. So today we are going to look at the main categories of the traffic signs. So in traffic signs we have three main categories. First, they are categorized by their shape. So we have those ones which are in a circle. The traffic signs which are in a circle, they are prohibitory signs.
So, Elijah, your review now.
Yeah,
Huh?
she's
Your review now.
getting it. She's good.
She's good?
She's good.
So she can pass in 1 day, in 1 week she can pass.
In 1 week she can pass the test.
Oh, sounds very good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Drive.